Okay, so I want to show you a little design I made up to figure out how to get my GoPro on my plate carrier, and we're going to take advantage of the MOLLE webbing. So what you need is some PVC, the thick kind because it's stiffer, in 1/2 inch. Get yourself some T's, some 45s, elbows, some assortment of stuff. Also, you're going to need primer and cement for PVC. You really don't need the primer, but it can help. This is my favorite tool for cutting PVC as opposed to a hacksaw. Looks like that. Ratchets together. It's really great and it leaves no mess. Obviously you're going to need your GoPro, mount, some type of flexible stuff, joints, whatever. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do this, but basically I know that those 1/2 inch PVC will fit in the MOLLE webbing, so we're going to make something up and see what we can do. So I just want to show you how easy this tool is to use. It's one-handed. It just ratchets through right there. You line it up where you want. It pretty much holds the pipe for you. Just give it one squeeze. It's going to cut through. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I can even do it offhanded with my left hand. Done. Nice and clean. No burrs to clean. No burrs and no mess. It's actually a pretty awesome little tool. Okay, so here's what I came up with. I used a T, 45, an elbow, and a couple of straight pieces, and then the straight pieces in between to connect all that. Then a long one out to the end where I've got the GoPro mounted. For first design, I guess it's okay. I haven't tried it out yet, but basically I got one piece through 3 of the MOLLE straps and the rest of it is free. This allows you to glue everything together and still be able to take it off of your plate carrier or MOLLE backpack if you want to. So this end I just lashed down with some 550 paracord just through the MOLLE, wrapped it around that to kind of keep it tight, and then I ran it all the way up to the end and around the GoPro and back down. I don't know if that's going to help or it's really needed, but I figure I'll give it a shot for some stability checks. The way I got the GoPro on here was at the end, if you can see right there, this view a little bit. There we go. I cut the PVC, see it a little bit better over here. Cut that PVC right down the length of it and then cut a chunk off to be able to fit one of the flat sticky mounts. It is one of the flat mounts, so that I could fit the GoPro mount in there and then get the case on. Right now I'm just using one connection to turn it so that it faces forward, and so I can angle it to get it relatively square. This is kind of what it looks like from the front. We get some better views later, and hopefully some views from the GoPro, and hopefully that was worth doing. And because what I'm trying to do is the third-person view type of thing. Eventually, if this works out, I'll paint this pipe brown so it doesn't look so PVC cheap. And painting is cheap, so that can help. Well, we'll see how it runs later today if I get a chance to go.